South African entertainment fans are buzzing after legendary actress Linda Sokolo and Slindile Nodangala secured exciting roles in the upcoming feature film Tulistuk alongside a rising actress Rorisang Mohapi and actor Magic Hlatswayo. The casting announcement, shared by entertainment commentator Mlu on social media, quickly got fans talking, with many praising the mix of experienced stars and fresh talent. Rorisang Mohapi continues to impress viewers after landing recent roles in House of Zwide and Wababa, with while Linda Sokolo remains one of Mzansi's most respected actresses, and thanks to her memorable performances in Generations, Estingo, Rhythm City, Savage Beauty, Marked, and many more productions over the years. Fans are especially excited to see Sokolo reunited with Slindile Nodangala, whose powerful acting career has made a household name in South African television. Social media users have already predicted that Tulistuk could become one of the standout local films to watch.